Joanna.
Good afternoon, sir. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay, you look so stunning today.
Thank you so much.
I too. Alright, my question for you is, so since we are celebrating Women International, and of course, the Binibining Nueva Ecija, if given a chance to create a tagline or slogan about the pageant, what would it be and why?
If given the chance, I would create a tagline that says, Kami ang babae at hindi babae lamang. In Tagalog, so that many could understand it well, simple and plainly. It says that as a woman, we are not just women, we are women. My sisters here today, just like me, are all powerful. We all serve a purpose. We all have advocacies, and we want to share our experience, what we want to fight for, what we want to voice out for, and we want to be the voice for others. And I do believe that this tagline speaks louder than ever because we are women, not just women. Thank you.